Okay, guys, so here we are, and now what is our task is that we need to set up Java in our system. Now, in order to set the Java, we need the first thing, which is Java Development Kit. And what we have to do is that we need to download the JDK first. So I will search for download JDK. So I will type JDK download and I will hit enter. I will here in the results we have the result from the Oracle site. So I will go there. In the meantime, we can find that we have Java 22, then Java 21, Java 17. These are the JDK versions available to us. Now, on depending on upon our task, we can download whatever version we want. But we will go with the JDK 11. So Java 11 basically. And in the Java 11, my machine is Windows. So I will choose for Windows. If your machine is Linux or you are going with the Mac OS or there is a Solaris, you can choose appropriately. So if you are using Linux, you can go with the this Debian package or compressed archive. If you are using Mac OS, you can go with this ARM62 DMG installer, or if you are with the Windows, you should go with this thing as 64 installer. So I will download this. So I will click upon this thing and I will click this, and finally it will be downloaded. So yeah, so what it is asking that we need to sign in. So as I already have the account with the Oracle, I will sign in with this option. If you don't have, just create one. It will ask for the simple details like we can create here. So in the create account, give this thing like these are the like normal fields, email, password, then password again, country. You can just create this account, and once you are created this, you can log in. So as I already created, I will simply log in, and it is asking for the password. So yes, I have signed in. Right now you can see here the download is started, and now the file which is the JDK, it is being downloaded. We can see this that it is being downloaded. So yes, just wait for the downloads. Yeah, so finally we have this thing, right? So double click on this and it will show a pop-up. Or simply what you can do, you can go in your file explorer. I will click on my file explorer, and here I have in the downloads this thing, that JDK. Now I will double click on this and it will show up something as it is loading. Now what is this? Is that the Microsoft is giving me warning that you should download the files from authorized things only. So you don't need to worry, just continue or click the option as continue anyway. So it will be shown. Right, it's giving black screen. Yes, so I will go with install anyway. And now we can see this that yes, so Windows installer is being, yeah, so what it is showing that welcome. So I need to click on next. Then it is installing the Java in this path. So where it is, so C program files. In the programs file, it is creating Java as a folder, and in that it is creating JDK11 as the folder, and it is storing the Java in or JDK inside this folder. If you want to change the path, you can change the path, but I will go with this one only, and I will click on the next. It will show that what is the status. It will initialize all the files and the things. So it is taking little bit of time. Just wait for that, and that status bar will get completed completely. Yeah. So as we can see that it is doing its background work, which is like whatever files and the process it has to do. It is doing that, and once, yeah, so you can see it is all the steps are completed, and JDK or Java is successfully installed. I will click close. Okay guys, so now we have done with our installation. Now next step is setting the environment variables. So in order to set the environment variables, I will click, I will search for environment variables. So the option is edit the system environment. So I will click on this. After this, click on environment variables, right? Now inside this, here is user variables, and in the next thing we have system variables. So if we do changes in the user variable, it will be a user specific, and if we do the changes in the system, it will be applicable to the all the users of a system. So we need the Java to be accessible to the whole system, so we are doing changes in the system variables. Now inside the system variables, search for this path. So yes, you can see there is a path. Now in the path, click upon new. So it is asking like that, so simply go with the edit thing. Now in the edit, click on new. Now we need to paste the path where our Java is installed. Now we saw that where in the installation part installed in the Windows C. In the after Windows C, go with the program files. Now I clicked upon program files. After that, we have created one folder as Java. In the Java, we have different versions of JDK. Now we are working with the JDK 11, click upon JDK 11. In the JDK 11, click upon bin. Yes. Now you can see there are multiple files, and here in the upper part we have this path. So click upon this, and after that click Control C. So path is getting copied. Now click upon this system variables and click on the new. After you have clicked on new, simply paste this path with the help of Control V and click on OK. Finally OK, and yes, you have completely set up the path, right? So our JDK is installed and our path is also set. So we can use the Java, we can run the Java programs on our system. Yeah, our Java is